Hello everyone, Richard here. As you might tell by the video description, I got a new guitar, and it's pretty cool. It's a Cort M600T, the T standing for tremolo. It also has a coil tap. Of course, that knob is one of those Gibson knobs that pops off real easy, so I may change those down the road. And it's got these EMG HZ pickups, which I'm going to trade out for some ones I got from Guitar Madness, which is an eBay seller. Nothing fancy. It's got cool inlays too. I like them. But yeah, Guitar Madness, they send you a little thing that comes with it. Just wanted to give them a shout out. These were like 35 bucks. They're very well made. They got some weight to them. Nice and shiny. And I like the offset dots, the offset poles. It was cool to me, so I got them. First thing we're going to do, go ahead and get rid of the old pickups. So we got to do a little bit of desoldering. And it's funny, I was actually going to add a coil tap to this guitar, but then I discovered it had one, which I thought was just awesome. Here's a tip. If you get a string stuck, a smaller one, you can use a larger string to push down through the tremolo block, just like I'm doing right here, and kind of knock it out. That's what I do anyway. It tends to work. So the next step is to pull these pickups out. Go ahead and get them unscrewed. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, man, you just got this guitar, why are you pulling these pickups out? Well, I've had EMG HZ pickups in several guitars, and I'm not the biggest fan of them. They're a little muddy to me, so figured I'd try to get something a little bit more vintage sounding for this guitar. See, it was inspected by here in January 2010, and I can't tell if that's BBR or BBB in the neck pocket there, but I always like to see the little marks that are left at the factory. So we got the new pickups in place. I think they're looking pretty sharp. If you know me, you know I'm a fan of Cort, but they have their ups and downs just like any cheaper guitar company. Getting everything nice and buttoned back up. And cleaning some stuff off, and I hope you guys are ready for a punk rock sanding montage, because that's what we're about to do. I'm going to go ahead and shine up all these frets. I like to do it when I get a new guitar. Alright, punk rock sanding montage over. I'm going to go ahead and get this tape off. And the fretboard was pretty dry, so I went ahead and cleaned it out. Got all the previous owner's gunk off. And oiled the fretboard with your standard Jim Dunlop lemon oil. This really brings life back to the board. And that's it. I put strings on it and figured I would do a little quick video to test out these pickups for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.